Hello, listeners. This is Terrence, and I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoom platform to schedule meetings, screen share, and all the different functionalities that I can show you. So, uh, as you can see, I'm on the Zoom website. I have an account, so I'm already logged in. If you don't have an account, what you can do is if I can sign out here, go into my account. Let's just say I want to log out, sign out. All right, so you can sign up here, it's free. So I'm going to sign back in. All right, it's going to take a second to log in. And we're back. So I'm logged into the website. You can choose to schedule a meeting. That's what I'm going to do here. And once you get to this screen, you can type in the name of the meeting or the topic. I'm going to choose dummy meeting. Then you can say a description, if you want to modify or explain what the meeting is about. You can choose what time it comes on. Let's choose 8 o'clock a.m. It's an early meeting. You can choose the duration up until 24 hours. We'll choose 1 hour. You can choose this to be a recurring meeting, which means the meeting occurs several times. There you can select a template, and I can choose this one because this is a meeting I set up already. We're going to choose that this meeting occurs every 1 week and that it occurs on the days of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And I am going to choose the meeting to end on May the 7th. Really, it's going to end May the 5th because Wednesday is the last day. And then template, I already showed you that. We're going to choose a password. Let's say dummy 101. You can have a waiting room that people can join before they enter the main room. Let's say if you want the meeting to start at a certain time, but you don't want your participants to come into the meeting before you had everything set up, you can choose the waiting room. Check that box. You can you can start the host video automatically when you join the meeting. I'm going to leave that off, participants off. I'm going to allow participants to join at any time or mute participant upon entry. I want to select that. I'm not going to select the first one, but that's if you want a participant to join at any time. Well, let's do pick that. I don't know. That's if you want to automatically record or approve or block entry from users from other countries or regions. Then once you're done, you can stop or you can save, and it creates your meeting. Here it is. You can manage your meeting from here. So let's just say I want to join a meeting. I could start it like from right here, or you can start it using this link so this is a meeting link that you can use to go straight to the meeting. All right. So I'm going to demonstrate that by copying and pasting the link here. It says paste, and you can press enter to go to it. I'm going to choose to open it using Zoom meetings. And once I do that, it'll take me to the Zoom meeting. So I'm successfully in the Zoom meeting. I'm going to join with the audio. Then I'm going to maximize this screen. Now, from in the Zoom meeting, you can do several things. You can do breakout rooms. You can create one breakout room and then let's see, assign any participant you want to the breakout rooms. All right, and you can join a breakout room. So we're in the breakout room. You can also choose to exit the room. So let's close all the rooms. So now I'm going to leave the breakout room, but other people have 55 seconds until it just automatically brings them back to the main room. Returning to the main session. So there's the breakout rooms. Also, you can chat to people. Hello. Everyone will see that message. Also, you can share your screen. I'm going to share my Google screen, my Google Chrome browser screen. Also, some people have said that their Zoom meetings will not allow them to do the breakout rooms. You can change that here. Scroll down, and right here, let's see, where is it? All right, right here, you can choose to toggle between having your breakout rooms on or off. This is off, this is on, and I'm still sharing my screen so people in Zoom can see that. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So if you want to stop sharing your screen, you can do that. Also, you can invite others. Let's see. I'm going to send the meeting link to myself. So I'm going to send it to myself. And when I send it to myself, I can join the meeting via my device. So I'm going to go back to the Zoom meeting. All right. I'm going to go on my device. I see the link is right here. I'm going to click on it. All right. Let's see. Oh, there I am waiting to enter the waiting room, or I entered the waiting room, and now I can admit myself. And when you have two people, I can demonstrate assigning people to a room. So let's say I want to assign rooms. I can assign my device to this room and then open all rooms. And it's going to ask me on my device to join room 1. I press join. I'm in room 1. And now I myself can join in room 1 and communicate with my device in the breakout room. So now I'm in the breakout room. All right. And just like you can go into a room, you can leave the room. I'm going to leave the breakout room. My device is still in the breakout room, but I am in the main session. Also, what you can do is you can choose to close all rooms. And when you close all rooms, the people in the breakout rooms can wait the 1 minute that it allows you to stay there, or they can press leave now. I'm going to leave now on my device. And now we are back in see, that went from 1 to 2 participants. So everyone's back in the main session. Also, you can, I already showed you can chat, you can share your screen. I've already showed that. And that's just basically a lot of things you can do with the Zoom app is very useful. And that's going to be my video for today. So I'm going to end the meeting. You can choose to leave the meeting and have another person become the host, or you can just end the meeting for all. That's what I'm going to do. And there you go. I left the meeting, and that is pretty much it. So I hope you had a good time listening to this video. If you didn't, I guess oh well. But that is how you use Zoom. All right. Have a great day.